Hey, this is Chef Perry at chefperryperkins.com. I'm a chef, cookbook writer, food blogger, and culinary instructor. And today I want to talk about one of my all-time favorite grilling recipes, bacon salmon bombs. I love this dish because it's just a few ingredients, it's simple to prepare, and it makes an amazing appetizer whenever I'm grilling or barbecuing. We'll start with one whole fresh salmon fillet, fresh, not frozen. I like to split them up the middle before I remove the skin. It just makes them a little easier to keep a handle on. Now normally, I would always leave the skin on salmon that I'm planning to grill, but since we're wrapping this in bacon and the skin won't get a chance to crisp up, it's better to get rid of it. Oh, and have a couple paper towels handy. This makes it a lot easier to keep a hold of that slippery skin. Next, we're going to slice the salmon into inch to inch and a half cross sections. And then we're going to cut each of those pieces in half right down the middle. Next, we're going to season the salmon, and I like to keep it simple. Just a generous amount of sea salt and coarse black pepper, maybe a little garlic powder. Once all of our salmon has been skinned and cubed, it's time to move on to the marinade. Now you can use your favorite bottled teriyaki sauce for the marinade or make your own from scratch. I found that a pineapple teriyaki sauce goes really nicely with this recipe. Give it a good mix to make sure all of the salmon is evenly coated, and then pop it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. When you're ready to start grilling, light your coals and let them burn until evenly gray. This is a good time to start assembling your bacon salmon bombs. First, you'll want to take the marinated salmon out of the fridge and let it rest on the counter for about an hour to take the chill off. Next, you're going to wrap each salmon cube in a full slice of thin bacon. This part's messy and I like to wear gloves because I do not like my hands getting sticky. Once all of your bombs are assembled, load them into a grill rack like this one. The ones made to hold 4 hamburger patties work great too. This rack keeps everything from sticking to the main grill and makes the whole process a lot faster and easier. You can pick these up for around $10 at Walmart. Set your rack over the hot coals and grill until the bacon is just beginning to crisp. The dripping fat can cause some flare-up, so be ready to move the whole thing around to new parts of the fire to keep it from burning. Once the bacon is done to your liking on one side, go ahead and flip the rack over. See how easy that was? And repeat the whole process. If you want to baste with some additional teriyaki sauce, wait to do so until the bacon's almost done so the sugars don't burn. And there you go, bacon salmon bombs, a little mouthful of heaven in every bite. Hey, if you enjoyed this recipe, want more, and want to help me teach at-risk kids how to cook for themselves, please consider becoming a patron on my Patreon page. Now go grill something.